Get yourself into a tight spot with reversible grinding combi discs from PFERD. When you need to get into small spaces to grind, rely on PFERD for another innovative solution to your unique grinding needs. No abrasive material on the disc's face means no worries about damage to any of the sensitive areas you don't want to grind on. Unlike your standard abrasive discs, PFERD puts the abrasive coating on the product's opposite side, giving you the ability to get into tight spots you had to give up on before. Now you have the just right solution. Use these industry-leading discs for weld dressing of backwards repair welds in cases, slots, and grooves on engines. And for processing welded-on combustor plates too. Need a multitude of different abrasive materials? We've got you. How about a variety of disc sizes? That too. And when you want to change out a disc, all you need is right in your hands. No wrench necessary. Just give it a quarter turn and you're locked in and ready to go. As part of the COMBIDISC family of disc grinders, you'll want to get your hands on this little gem right away. Call our customer service team to connect with your local distributor.